Yo, hello guys, welcome back. I'm Abhishek Singh back with some awesome videos again on this channel Rise Up with Abhishek. So today we are talking about conditioning and looping in code.org or in programming. So let's create project or fresh project. You can use App Lab or Game Lab. I'm gonna choose Game Lab because this Game Lab project can help you better to understand. So yeah, conditioning and looping contains every programming language, either it's JavaScript, it's code.org, it's Python, it's any other Java, everything contains loops and conditions. So yeah, if you click on this control log, so you get some loops and conditions. So let's start. So yeah, let's start with creating a variable object equals to create sprite. You can choose the coordinates, 200, and yeah, I'm using code.org GameLab after a long time, so yeah, many updates are there. So let's choose any image, or I can just draw one. So yeah, I'm gonna choose. My drawing is not good. So yeah, of course I will choose this gameplay faces monster. So yeah, now I'm gonna choose object dot set animation gameplay phase 1, and inside this draw sprites. Yeah, now if I run it, so of course there's monster, but yeah, I will also reduce the size. Object dot scale equals to 0.5, it's half. Yeah, now it's fine. So now I'm talking about condition. First we are going to talk about if conditions. So if condition, first of all we have to know what is the syntax of this. So if brackets and then curly brackets, so inside these brackets the condition must be there. When if anything is clicking, so what anything is like catching, anything is happening on the screen, so what should be task should be happen after that catch. So of course you have to enter a condition. Suppose this object, if key down, or we can use mouse down, so yeah, if mouse down left button, so our monster should be disappear. Object dot visible equals to false. Let us check is it working or not. Nope, it's not working. I guess anything is issue there, so let us check again. So mouse down left, if I show blocks mode, so okay, let me check again. Let us use block mode again. Left button, okay. So that solves the problem. So now if I run it again, so if my left button is down, so object dot visible must be false, but it's not happening because object set animation object dot scale. Okay, okay, now it's visible. Actually the thing is there is background must be white, then it will be visible to us. Reset and run. Now you can see it got invisible. Why? Because we have entered the condition if mouse down left button, then object should be not visible, so that's why it is happening. Or so yes, this was how conditions work. And yeah, there are so many conditions like if else, loops. So this is the high level thing, so we will continue it in our next video. Bye bye, tata, see you. And yeah, you can create lots of fun projects using these conditions. So don't forget to share your projects in comment section. yeah, bye bye. Subscribe before leaving, leave a like if you like this video. If you don't like, so you can dislike, and yeah, make sure to subscribe. You can change your mind later.